right, dolls. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to our new subscribers. Your girl actually has a pastel-y look done today. I don't normally wear pastels because I feel like they just kind of wash my face out. But if I'd slap on some lashes, it would look phenomenal. But unfortunately, my allergies are going insane, so we couldn't get our lashes to stick right now. But, y'all, I may have stumbled onto something pretty good. So, Medusa's Makeup, of course, I'll leave them linked down below for you. They are vegan, cruelty-free makeup, affordable. So, for the monthly subscription, you get 4 to 6 full-size items, and it's only $22.95 a month, and that includes shipping, you guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. For vegan, cruelty-free, yeah. And it's woman-owned, hello. All right, love. So for February subscription, they do include a card. Ta-da! Everything's on the back that you see here. So we're just going to jump into it. February's bundle is worth $67.99. Now, the majority of this is all Medusa Makeup. There is some others thrown in here that we're pretty familiar with, but for the majority of it, it's Medusa's Makeup. So right now, I'm going to start playing a video right there for you guys and me using everything for you, and we're just going to dig into it. So as you see, I applied my e.l.f. eye primer, and then I actually put on, I started in March's box here. Here's the box that came in. Cruelty-free and vegan is what it says. And I applied their shadow here. This is their matte shadow. And let me see if it has a name, you guys. Let me get my glasses on and I'll tell you. Okay. So this eyeshadow is called Tropical Eyeshadow. And it's called Martinique. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, you guys. But I want you to see the pigment. So this is considered full size. Look at that. Wow, yeah. So it is a little powdery because it is a pressed pigment. All pressed pigments are. But look at that. Yeah, I had to blend it out off my eyes because it was blue. Blue, 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 blue. Next thing you see is actually in February's box. Nope, I lied. It's March's box. The loose fairy dust. That's what I call it. So this is called Ultraviolence. And I'm sorry, you guys. This shadow here is coming in at $14. And the Medusa's Eye Dust in Ultraviolence comes in at $9. I'm just going to get a little off the top here. It has your little guard. And without spilling that, you guys know how your girl is about dropping and spilling stuff. We're just going to put it on. Now, again, we have no pigments or no primer, no concealer, no nothing. And look at that. It is what I used on my inner corners here. And then I went over the top of it with what is in February's box. This is their baked eyeshadows. And this is called Glasses Back On, Sunny Jane. This here is called their Girl Bye. Guys, it's quite a bit of quantity in here. I'd love to tell you how much, but I cannot see. This comes in at $14. It's large. It's very large. And it was very pigmented, as you can tell from your girl's eyes. Very, very pigmented. Very pigmented. I actually really, really like this one. Now, the loose pigment stuff, you guys, I got it all over, as you'll see in the video. All over the place. Like, it was everywhere. Now, I'm going to show you this over here because I forgot that video is playing over there. Sorry. Okay. So, here it is again. There we go. Look at that. And we'll do a little swatchy swatch right next to that blue. See how pigmented that is? Like, wow. Yeah. Again, this here is coming in at $14. Okay, let's go back to February's box because we also, which you'll see me using over there, this is their Lip and Cheek Duo. It's called Lip and Cheek Stain. Now, it kind of seemed more like a highlighter before it settles down into your skin. I mean, it's very glossy looking. This is coming in at, what, $21? Yeah, I don't know so much about that, you guys. See, I just swatched it and you can't hardly see. Maybe if it dries down, it is buildable. It's right next to that silver. You can't hardly see it. I don't know. This one here, yeah, it's a bit iffy. I mean, when I built it up, it came off rather pretty, but 21 bucks, that's a bit much for this, I feel. Okay, 3 more things in February's box. I sent a face mask. This here is Beauty Host Face Mask. It's in Camellia, and it comes off at $4.99. They also sent their contour brush, which you'll see me using over there. Their contour brush is coming in at $14. Just a pretty little crystal, and it's very soft. It was kind of hard to stay where I wanted it to be because it's so soft. Okay, guys, again, the total value for February's box, $67.99. I paid $22.95 for it, including shipping. Okay, let's finish up March's box. So this here is from So Susan. I did not use it. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch next to that pink. Ooh, she's very pink. Very pink right here. Just a cream lipstick, and it's coming in at $24. Wowzers. Very pretty packaging. Very pretty. We also have Public Goods Lip Balm. Okay, this is $4. Just a chapstick, I guess. I've got like 5 million of these opened, y'all. I'm not going to open it. Just a clear chapstick. That's all it is. We have Seraphine Botanicals. This is their rose and coconut water. Their hydrating facial mist. Let's see if it's sealed. Oh, this comes in at $24. This little bitty bottle. My goodness. Get it out of there. There we go. It's got a lot of coconut oil in it. That's that coloring that you're seeing in the rose in there. Yeah. Let's see if it's an overwhelming rose scent. A lot of you know I can't do overwhelming rose scents. There's a lot of rose in that. Okay. We're going to put that back in the box because I do have a friend who loves rose-scented products. So I will be giving that to her if I can get it back in there correctly. We got one more thing in here. And you guys, look at that. There's a little flower clip. A little hair clip. How cute is that? Yes, of course your girl is going to put it in for you. How cute. Aww. So this is one of those hydrating collagen beauty clear skin hydrators. It's in the citrus flavor. And your total value for March's box is $75. So again, it's only $22.95 or $99 a month. And that includes shipping. So we ended up with 2 eyeshadows, a loose highlighter shimmer, if you want to call it that, a creamy lipstick, a contour brush, a cheek and lip balm. Yeah, it's like a balm. It is. A very matte lipstick, which I don't remember sharing with you guys. This is coming in at $14, and this is the shade Whoopee. I did use it in that video before. Now, you put this down, let her dry, and look, it doesn't transfer, it doesn't budge. It's smudge proof. We like those kind of lippies, you guys. And then again, they sent this cute little adorable bag for our first March box. So I'm a little interested to see what April is going to bring us, you guys. I said I have not tried Medusa's Makeup before. So far, they're off to a really, really good start. That's just adorable. I love little things like that. You guys know I love the details. Love, love, love the details. And we love kiss-proof, smudge-proof lipstick. So, What do y'all think of Medusa's makeup? Have you guys tried it? Well, let me know down in the comments. I will leave the link down below in the description for you guys to check it out for yourselves. I don't really have anything bad to say about it. This came off a lot lighter than what it is in the pan, but it is also buildable. So, I mean, you can make it in your face buildable blue, or you can shear it out like your girl did. It's up to you. I mean, our faces are the canvases, and we make up our own beauty, don't we? All right, loves, that is all for the new subscription box, Medusa's Makeup. I hope you all had a fantabulous week. Your girl's gonna go. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.